Yeah, I got some shit to get off my chest, you know what I mean? Niggas caught up in that image shit, man, for real. If you a rapper, better yet, if you an MC, dog, then be that. Rep you, man, rep what you live, rep what you do, not what he do. Some niggas fake as shit, man. A lot of these rap niggas don't live that gat clap life. Like a lot of these so-called conscious incense coffee shop rap, that shit's fake too. All that thesaurus astronaut shit, man. All y'all niggas is corny, man. Some of these cornball DJs feed into that bullshit too. Where's your balls, nigga? Y'all know y'all ain't feeling that bullshit. Some of y'all niggas come from the hood and talk down to niggas like you ain't from there. Cut that shit out, man. For real. All y'all dollars, sideways slick yapping, cut that shit out, man. Real recognize real. I don't know you. Me and Big O, we mix nuts, dog. We still mix nuts, ain't nothing changed. Drama's a DJ, producer, yo. Y'all wish you could sound like him, dog. Y'all ain't got no balls. Y'all copy Lil Jon and Yin Yang cousins, nigga. Do you, nigga? Jalil B, Mr. B, Big O my partner. Let's get this Mix Nuts album done, dog. Johnny Hatch, original Mix Nuts, nigga. Rome, Frizzo C, 450, Ike Jules, Trevor Sparks, the whole Dorchester, nigga. I'm out.